M2 How-To Video Series. Step 3. Pairing the M2 with your Bluetooth scale. You'll need the QBOID Bluetooth adapter cable kit, which looks like this. We recommend using a USB portable mobile phone bank with 2 ports. Plug the cable into this port on the Rice Lake scale back panel. The USB power cable for the Bluetooth adapter can now be connected to the battery bank, as well as the USB power cable for the Rice Lake scale. Turn on the Rice Lake scale from its front panel. You should see the Bluetooth adapter indicator lights come on. On your M2, open the M2 app, touch the settings icon, touch the workflow settings button, touch the Bluetooth scale button. Select Use Bluetooth Scale, then touch Pair a New Scale. Wait for the scale to be found by the M2. Select the scale with a name, starting with QBOID Scale. Under Scale Config, you can name your scale or accept the default setting. Under Scale Type, make sure Rice Lake BP1214 is selected. Hit OK. Touch Pair. Set as Primary Scale. Hit back until you get to the home screen of the M2 app. You should see the Bluetooth indicator turn blue. You should also see the weight field go from -- to a weight of 0.0. Okay, the scale is now paired with the M2.